welcome to another episode of the Town Explorer. We are now in Cadillac, Michigan. If you've ever heard of Cadillac, Michigan, it's on the way to Traverse City, and it's a neat little town here. We're going to do a little bit of driving and walking, a little bit of exploring together here. So buckle your seatbelts, grab a cup of coffee, and let's see what Cadillac and the area surrounding it has to offer. Okay, so I'm at a point of interest here called the Sound Garden, and it's at a Cadillac Sundial project, as well as it's a city park. And right here is part of the trail system. And what the Sound Garden is you can actually make music here. So the kids would absolutely love this. If you're visiting the Cadillac Lakes region, or even just passing through to go to somewhere like Traverse City, or up to the UP, you could stop here. And it's super cool. The kids could have some fun here. You have, let's see here, what we can do. Yep, they work. And then you have this one over here. Yep. And that's Cadillac High School in the background over there. I saw that already. But yeah, this is a really neat little park. Has a little bit to offer for everybody because there's places over here you can park, have a picnic, or bring lunch and just sit by the water. And, I'm sure ducks and stuff come over here too. And park benches here, watch the kids play. And I wanted to show you this too. So this is Cadillac Lake over here in the background. As you can see, it is springtime, so everything's kind of in bloom, real pretty. It is an overcast and gloomy kind of day. Apologize for the weather, nothing I can do there. But it's a little bit misty too. I'll do the best I can to give you as much footage about the Cadillac area as I can while I'm here. But they also have this lake walk over here. No bicycles allowed on it, just walking and jogging, I guess. And goes all the way down along the lake shore here. And then anytime there's like a little bit of a creek or an inlet or whatever, there is a bridge over here that you can cross. But this is just to the west of downtown on Chestnut Street. So this is Chestnut Street you're looking at, the Lake Cadillac or Cadillac Lake right there in the background. But let's go ahead and head back into town, see what we can find there. So I found a place to park. Let's go walk around downtown a little bit and see what Cadillac has to offer as far as walking it. Handmade creations and a pawn shop. Got a flower shop here. Corner of Harris and Mitchell. We're gonna wait for a crosswalk here to change for us. And it looks like there's a couple of government buildings over there I want to check out for you, see what those are. I think because we are in a county seat, but one of those is a courthouse building and one of them is probably a city hall. All right, so I walked up Mitchell here a little bit, and yeah, this is the Cadillac post office. It's the First Congregational Church over there as well. And at some point in the video, there's a Mitchell house up there, and I think that might be the county courthouse over there. So we will get over there to give you a live shot of those buildings as well. Looking back at downtown from the post office, you see Cadillac Lake off there in the distance, as well as some city parks. This building to my right looks like it was maybe a hotel at one point, turned jewelry store and other businesses that are now long gone. But it's got a really neat little breezeway thing here going on. So I wanted to film that. If anybody from Cadillac is watching, comment down below. What was this building at one point? I'd like to know. What was it originally? A small business here called Emmett's Closet. It's like maybe a secondhand store, boutique. Best lunch in town, huh? It's called Simply Delightful. It's like they have Grand Traverse Pie, Cherry Republic, smoked fish, and up here on their sign it says that they have fudge, chocolate, corn, caramel corn, and gifts. Simply the world's best. Right there. So, right here on the main thoroughfare in Cadillac. Place to possibly check out. There is a historical museum to my right as well. And that is the Masonic Lodge building there. We're looking straight ahead. We are going to definitely check out that building there and the Mitchell house at some point in the video. That one over there, however, that might be your courthouse. I will verify that. I'll put a description on the video if it is, but I think it's also a visitor center now because it has local maps, event info, and everything else. So corner of Mitchell and Mason is where you want to go to grab your visitors maps and travel guides and things like that. And that also includes the whole area, the county as well that we're in. So not just Cadillac proper, but the lakes and surrounding areas as well. So any hiking trails, biking trails you're looking for, I would start there. Not sure what the building used to be, but I will try to find some more things around here to show you before taking off. All right, a quick look of the inside of Simply Delightful here in Cadillac. They have taffy. They have all these really nice chocolates. It's like turtles and hard candies, beverage counter, and some food for thought. A lot of different jams, Michigan berries and habanero. They have salsas. And then they have stuff from the Cherry Republic, which I believe is located up in Traverse City, but they carry their products. And then your hard candies and things like that. And caramel corn. They have some gift baskets as well. So I wanted to feature a small business on the channel here. Give them a plug here. Just to show you what the inside of this cute little shop is like. Here's a really neat coffee shop to check out called Chunky Bear. And then there's a clothing store right next to it. Like I said, it's kind of a gloomy day. Wish I could show you more down through there, but it is kind of raining a little bit, and well, do the best I can here for you. Cadillac news right here as well. Looks like it was a pretty historical building here. All right, so we're entering the Courthouse Hill Historic Area, and I wanted to show you some of the neat houses and things that will pass on the way up to the courthouse. So hold on tight. Let's see what we can find. And that is the courthouse for Wexford County. And it looks like it might have been at one point the mayor or the county commissioner's home next door, but I don't think it is anymore. I think it's a private residence. But that is the courthouse there. I'll take you through a little bit of the residential area before we circle back to the historical museums and things like that. All right, so this is the Mitchell House, and is something of significance, and I will put up some more information on the screen for you so we can learn together. But Charles T. Mitchell looks like occupied this home at one point back in 1874. It was constructed, and it is. Looks like it may have some businesses in it, or at least on part of the property. But yep, there it is. And then yeah, the rest of this right here looks like it might have been garages or something at one point. Those are really old window panes because they are wavy. So yeah, I'll throw up some more information if I haven't already on the video, you guys, to learn a little bit more about who Charles T. Mitchell is and the significance of the home and all of that. Before I leave you though, there is the History or Historical Museum that is this building here to my left, the yellowish one. So we're going to check it out as we drive by on some brick streets here, some bumpy brick streets, but they have a lot of character. And that is the Wexford County Historical Society Museum. And this is heading back toward downtown. Stay tuned. Hopefully we can find some more to see and do in Cadillac before I let you go. Otherwise, we'll see you here in a little bit. I've found the old original train station and depot here in Cadillac, so that is pretty cool. They've turned it into a what appears to be a restaurant of some sort. And I have a locomotive over here in a park as well. And I really like this over here. It's got like a recipe or what do you call it? Ingredients list of random things for this business in Cadillac, making it look like it's some sort of food thing. But Toy Town is one of our next destinations here, so I'm going to go ahead and grab a spot right here. Stay tuned for more. It looks like they have a kind of like a vendor's market over here. I don't know if it's a farmer's market now. It's got dog treats and looks like candles. It's a little kind of mini flea market area. It's called Cadillac Commons Market. Located here in the center of town, near that Cadillac for Goodrich Theater ingredients list, if you will. This is the back side of the Cadillac Elks Lodge. Here is some free public parking as well. And that locomotive that I showed you a moment ago, I'm going to walk up a little closer to it and show you what that's all about. And then the antique... No, it's not an antique store. I'm sorry. It is a restaurant inside the old train station. So that's pretty cool to see. So yeah, let's see what this locomotive thing is all about. 1870s logging locomotive. It looks like it's what it was. And it ran from 1839 to 1916. So I guess its prime for operation was in the 1870s, though. It is a Michigan historic site. Obviously pretty fitting to be over here next to the train depot that once was. Yeah. And then there's a place over there called Clam Lake Beer. So if you're into breweries and pubs and things like that, that is over there. And then you have a city park and commons area here where they have a fountain. And I'm sure in the heart of summer, it's probably going on. Looks like there's a group of people walking along the lakeshore over there, and then there's a pavilion, like a community pavilion. I'm sure they have some live music there in the heart of summer, maybe some festivals and things that happen in this area. So I'll see what I can do as far as research. Maybe I'll throw up something to see and do for festival-wise and go from there.